Welcome to Umar Sharif's Hospitality and Catering. Today we'll see about milk. Keep calm and drink milk. Milk is white liquid, food produced by the mammary glands of lactating mammals. It is the primary source of nutrition for young mammals. Milk must be fresh, clean, and free from odor. It should contain no added water. Preservation is needed since the bacteria easily attack the milk. Greatest care should be taken at every stage in milk processing. The container with which it comes into contact must be completely sterilized. There are different heat treatment procedures should be taken place before canning. First is pasteurization, named after French scientist Louis Pasteur, who discovered milk is made safe by heating high temperature to destroy the microorganism. It includes heating the milk to temperature between 145 to 150 degree Fahrenheit, holding the temperature about 30 minutes. Flush method is heating the milk to a higher temperature of 160 to 170 degree Fahrenheit for 15 minutes and a rapid cooling down. Sterilization method, where milk is heated to the temperature of 100 degrees centigrade for 20 to 30 minutes and filled in the narrow, new sterilized bottle. While it is hot, it is sealed after removing any air bubbles. The filled bottles are cooled gradually. Homogenization, where a milk is heated and forced at a high temperature or pressure through a filtering process which breaks up the fat globules evenly. Different forms of milk is available. Whole milk powder. Milk dried by too much of hot air. The milk is condensed by heating and reducing of its volume. Whole milk powder is sprayed through under a high pressure into a heated chamber. The hot air inside. The roller form milk is poured to a heated roller where it is heated by a steam. The milk is sprayed at the center of the roller where it dries up in the hot roller and it is collected for packing. Skim milk powder, where the cream and fat is removed, where any one method is used to make the skim milk powder. Condensed milk, where the milk is heated half the volume and 70% of sugar is added. The milk is heated to temperature of 180 degree Fahrenheit, which is cooled immediately and ready for service. Evaporated milk under hot pasteurization, which is heated to half the volume with the expression of sugar, and it's sterilized, filled in sterilized bottle, canned, or they are sold. Different forms of milk. Cream. Milk is added to a centrifugal revolving where the spin around given speed. The result is a strong, heavy masses settling to the bottom and the watery portion coming at the top. This is homogenized and then sold in the market. There are two kinds of cream: cream with a fat content of 15 to 18 and the double cream. Butter is made on sour cream. The milk is first heated to 18 degree Fahrenheit and the cream is separated through centrifugal. Lactic acid bacteria are introduced to ripening process. The sour cream is then churned. It is placed on a cold container which rotates. By the action of fat, globules are collected together, leaving being between the water, which is called buttermilk. To the butter, salt is added for flavoring and as preserving agent. Orange or yellow color is mixed into butter for appearance. It is then packed and sold in various rates and weights. The butter contains 80% of fat and 20% of water. Clarifying the butter makes ghee and the moisture is evaporated. Curd. The milk is heated and then the cold little previous day curd or some acidic substance like lime juice vinegar is added. The curd sets about 8 hours time in a warm temperature. Yogurt, this is a cultured milk which has been fermented into thick creamy curd by the action of bacteria called Lactobacillus, Streptococcus and Thermophiles. Yogurt can be sweetened by adding sugar, also flavored with any kind of fruits or essence, cherry yogurt, mango yogurt, etc. Thank you for watching Umar Sharif, Hospitality and Catering. Do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.